It's called In a Lifetime. It's for Friday night.
Oh, I've been through the gauntlet of romance, the sweat, shake, and the rush of the fall, the soft, sweet whispers and the slow dance, and then the day you pay for it all. So I'm not jumping in so blindly, and I'm not giving anything for free, and I won't let myself hurt you, and I won't let you trample over me. This could be love, so let's let it grow, and one day we'll know. This could be love, so let's let it grow, and one day we'll know. Oh, you don't feel like anything else. My mind is far too clear. You make me want to be good to myself, and somehow you're as good as you appear. And I thought love just made us crazy, but I've never felt more sane. Oh, it's beginning to amaze me is that I can tell you anything. This could be love, so let's let it grow, and one day we'll know. Sooner or later we're gonna have to choose whether this is something that we never want to lose, and the rules won't change. In fact, the only rule is that love's not what we think or say, it's just how we live. Love's not what we feel, it's what we give.